Gen Ed subjects. So, Gen Ed segment, society, technology, and society, gender and society, and then health, safety, and nutrition for recent students. So, that is your usual. So, that sometimes, if una teacher, I'm learning chemistry and agri-biology of agricultural students. So your agribiology one. So that is plant agricultural biotechnology. So if there's genetic engineering, we should also do it. So ito sa atin wala po natin ito practice last time. We should go through it. So how about the office administration? Do you have your laboratory? Dapat may laboratory para mo sa computer. So that's steno subject. Be good in it because that steno can be used if you work in Hall of Justice. Sa Hall of Justice. Because in the Hall of Justice, kung may mga kaso, na steno ang pagpantang sa kaso. So, may ang barila sa judge ko na steno na sa secretary. Sometimes allow me to sit down because I am diabetic. I have my diabetes at 2 milliliters. Way back 2023, I was amputated with one toe, middle toe. Kaya nga ako yung sugar taas. So, magano, siguro madura, kumatayan tayo kay ni Dr. Pasqua and her family history sa akin kung diabetic. Lumami sa tayo ng ulo. Si Aki ko ulo ay diabetic or diabetic patients are going through cancer because cancer loves sugar. So avoid sweet fast, and especially if you have family history of diabetes. So refrain from drinking Coca-Cola. 1 Coca-Cola, one Coca-Cola, if you have the normal value of sugar 100, that 1 bottle of Coca-Cola will triple your sugar. And that sugar, if you try down, it will take you 1 week to lower your sugar, including cutting your rice and plate, no sugar, no bread, no sodas, no coffee, just water.